Hello trader. Today is 25th of November, so we will have a Wednesday. Today, Monday and Tuesday will be rather quite quiet. There's no news. So, but one thing come in mind is Wednesday there is a Australia CPI. Forecast is actually higher than the previous 2.5. So, according to this state trading economy, the outlook is RPA indicated it would remain a restrictive policy stand until there is a clear evidence that inflation is sustainably moving towards target, which is 2%. So as long as the inflation remain above 2%, RBA will have restrictive policy. That means they wouldn't cut rates. So with that being said, AUD could be remain quite bullish for time being, just according to the trading economy. But let's see whether we have a little bit of positions here. But I'm playing this quite. So I actually longing Euro AUD, pretty much shorting AUD. But at the same time, I actually also long AUD CHF. Why do I do that? Purely because I really don't know what is the CPI. Could it be bad? Could it be worse? So I'm just not sure whether AUD will be strong or weak. So I'm going to base on just currency strength. As you can see, euros are stronger than AUD. That's why I'm longing Euro AUD. And AUD CHF is actually stronger than CHF. That's why I'm buying. But with that, right, if you are buying Euro AUD, actually you are selling AUD. If you are, so I neutralize this exposure to, in case on Wednesday the AUD CPI come in actually much higher. That means AUD will remain restrictive policy, which is good for AUD. It could be strong. So I don't want a 50-50. So I'm actually doing both exposure. If I buy Euro AUD, I mean I'm selling AUD, but I neutralize the exposure on AUD by buying AUD CHF. So I'm using two trade to counter rate. And then of course, let's look at our volume. So as you can see, AUD, Euro AUD actually been going down quite aggressively. Yeah, very aggressive. But this will be the last down move and then market quickly buy back up. So I like the momentum. So I actually long today Euro AUD at 1.6. You see my trade. Where was that? Euro AUD. Yeah, 1.60548. But then I neutralized the exposure on weaken AUD by buying AUD CHF. Of course, as you can see, the momentum actually going down. If I buy now, they still have a risk that it will come back here. But because AUD CHF is actually positive swap, so I'm buying a little bit just in case it will go down here. I will buy a little bit more while my Euro AUD already in profit. So I'm using the profit here to neutralize AUD temporarily drawdown. So when I take profit, this one should be coming down to 0.57x something, probably in one day. Then I will have just pure long on AUD CHF by taking profit on Euro AUD. So I'm using this correlative currency pair to play into the news that coming in Wednesday CPI, which I don't have any idea whether it could be good or how market will actually react to AUD. It could be react to very bullish. It could react to be very negative, but I don't want to get exposure. So I long one on Euro AUD, which means I'm selling AUD, but then neutralize the short side of AUD by buying AUD CHF with the currency strength to give me the concept, because AUD are sitting in between Euro AUD and AUD CHF. So I'm buying Euro because it's stronger than AUD. I'm selling AUD CHF because AUD is stronger than CHF. And then I neutralize the news for AUD on Wednesday and see how it pans out.